Welcome to the Trading to Earn YouTube channel, where we help you navigate the exciting world of trading. Let's unravel the basics together. Trading, in essence, is buying and selling assets with the goal of turning a profit. These assets can be an array of things, from stocks and commodities to currencies and other financial instruments. It's a dynamic field, constantly evolving and full of opportunities. Trading might seem intimidating at first, but with a bit of knowledge and practice, anyone can do it. Now, we will dive into the step-by-step process of trading. The trading journey begins with research, which forms the bedrock of successful trading. Imagine yourself as a detective, sifting through mountains of data, news, and trends to crack the code of the market. This process helps you understand the nuanced dynamics of the trading world and make informed decisions. Next, the selection of a trading platform is crucial. It's like choosing a vehicle for a long journey. You need a platform that's reliable, user-friendly, and offers a robust set of tools to help you navigate the market's twists and turns. Once you've chosen your platform, you'll need to open a trading account, a process that is often straightforward and user-friendly. The heart of the trading process is placing a trade. This is where you select an asset to trade. It could be stocks, commodities, or currencies, to name a few. You then decide on the number of units you want to buy or sell. It's like deciding how many apples to buy at the market. You also set a price, the amount you're willing to pay or receive for the asset. The final step is monitoring your trade. This involves keeping a close eye on your trade, ready to close it when your desired profit level is reached, or to cut your losses if the market moves against you. Remember, successful trading involves careful planning, continuous learning, and disciplined execution. Let's recap the key points we've discussed today. Trading is an art and science that requires careful research and planning. From chart patterns to company fundamentals, your trading decisions should be informed by thorough analysis. Next, remember that choosing the right platform can make or break your trading experience. Look for a platform that is user-friendly, reliable, and offers a wide range of trading instruments. Once you've chosen a platform, it's time to execute your trades. Be wise in your decision-making and avoid impulsive actions. Stay disciplined and stick to your trading plan. Furthermore, it's crucial to monitor your trades regularly and adjust your strategy as market conditions change. Trading involves risks, and it's essential to manage these risks effectively. This might mean setting stop-loss orders, diversifying your portfolio, or simply knowing when to walk away. Keep learning, stay disciplined, and remember, the journey to successful trading is a marathon, not a sprint. Thank you for joining us today on Trading to Earn. Stay tuned for more insightful content.